In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or import a calendar to Outlook, whether you're trying to streamline your work schedule or keep your personal plans organized. Adding a calendar to Outlook can make a big difference in managing your tasks effectively. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to head to the Microsoft Outlook page. If you're not there yet, open your web browser and type in the URL for Microsoft Outlook. Once the page loads, you'll see a button prompting you to sign in. Click on this button to proceed. You'll be directed to the sign-in page. Here, you'll need to enter your login details. This typically includes your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. Be sure to double-check your details to avoid any login issues. Once you're all set, click on the next button to continue. Upon entering the correct login information, you'll be taken to the Outlook dashboard. This is your main hub for managing emails, calendars, and more. Now, when it comes to importing a calendar, you actually have two convenient methods to choose from. Both are pretty straightforward, and I'll guide you through each one. Start by navigating to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot the familiar calendar icon. Click on this icon to access the calendar section of Outlook. Once you're in the calendar view, look towards the bottom part of the sidebar. You will find the option to Add Calendar. Click on Add Calendar and you'll be presented with a couple of choices: Subscribe from Web and Upload from File. It's helpful to understand what each option does so you can make the best decision for your needs. If you choose Subscribe from Web, you'll be prompted to enter the web address or URL of the calendar you wish to add. This is a great option if you're looking to keep your Outlook calendar synced with an online calendar. You'll receive updates automatically whenever your online calendar changes, ensuring you always have the latest schedule right in Outlook. Alternatively, if you select Upload from File, you have the opportunity to import a calendar directly from a file on your computer. This option is perfect if you have a calendar that you've exported from another program or platform. Simply find the stored calendar file, often in formats like .dices, and upload it to incorporate those events into your Outlook calendar. As you can see, each method offers its own advantages, whether it's keeping in sync with online schedules or quickly adding events from stored files. Choose the method best suited to your situation, and you'll soon have your calendar added to Outlook, ensuring you stay organized and on top of your schedule. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. And remember, having a well-managed calendar can significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for watching.